Let's practice using plugins. To get to the area where we interact with plugins, click Plugins on the main admin menu. Click on Add New. Click on Search Plugins. Let's install a plugin called WP Forms. Type WP Forms in the search box. The first plugin that comes up is the one that we want to install. Click on Install Now. The button will now turn to blue and says Activate. Click Activate to enable the plugin. In addition to installing plugins from the WordPress repository, we can upload a plugin from our computer. In order to do so, click Add New again from the Plugins page. Now let's click Upload Plugin. Click Choose File in order to find the zip file on your computer. Click Install Now. Click on Activate Plugin in order to use this plugin on the site. If you don't click Activate, the code will be installed on your site, but will not be used by WordPress. If we return back to the plugin page, we'll see our activated plugin, but we also see that one of our plugins needs to be updated. Let's click Update Now in order to keep it update the code. You can set your plugins to auto-update so that you won't have to keep manually updating them. In order to do so, click Enable Auto-Updates. There is a risk to auto-updating because you are not monitoring your site after the update, so have a backup plan in place if using this feature. There may be a time when you don't need to use a particular plugin anymore. In order to do so, you will need to click Deactivate. After you deactivate a plugin, you can click Delete in order to remove the code totally from your site. That is how you add, activate, upload, and delete plugins.